Everyone talks about being 19, like it's supposed to be the best time of the year. But honestly, I think it is the most confusing one. Hi, I'm Akriti, and today we'll discuss how being a 19 actually feels like. We are not even kids anymore and nor adults. We are somewhere in between. Like we have just got into colleges and we are still figuring out the college life, and people are expecting us to make critical choices about our career, but we still don't know what we actually want in life. Many times this happens to like most of the people, including me. For example, I was from commerce stream, and suddenly my class 12th ended, and I was literally not sure that what I want to do in life. Like, so I was always confused between should I go for what I like, what I love to do, or should I go for the market trends, for the jobs which are expected for the future, most demanding, or I should go what my parents want me to be. So all of a sudden I have to make career choices, and that's a big deal for a 19-year-old, I suppose. I feel at the age of 19 there is a lot of pressure. There are career choices we have to make. There are future worries, what we are going to do in future. There are multiple confusion, ups and downs, and the curiosity to know everything already. Like, for instance, when I got into the college, I was so confused that what I'm gonna do with the people who have different thoughts, have different speeds in their life. Somebody has already achieved a lot of heights since they're still in the college, and compared to other people who are still stuck, struggling, and many more. So there are different creatures in the college, and when around we used to be in school, there was no tension about career. There were no hassle of competing with each other. There was no stress. We just used to go to school, have fun with our friends, eat the delicious lunch, and come back home, play with our friends, sleep, family time, and that's it. We never used to think what we are actually gonna do in life. But suddenly, when we came out of the school after 12th, we have to make career choices. How is that even possible when we didn't have anything figured out? Suddenly people are expecting us to be mature enough and make different choices on different things. Suddenly we have to choose what degree we want. I was so confused. Like, honestly speaking, I was like, okay, I've taken commerce, but I don't know what course I want to do. I cannot. So many people advised me to take a year gap and still think about what I actually want, and clear some exams or something. But I was so sure about not wasting my year. Like, I was like, even if I don't know what I want to do, whatever degree I choose, but I'm not gonna waste any of my year. I don't know what I was thinking. Currently, I'm doing BBA, and I don't know what kind of choice was that, but it was the immediate decision I had to take. And what happens is, at this age, we are comparing our own selves with others who has a different speed in their life. They are doing something at different pace, and we are at different pace. So we are always comparing, even if the people around you are achieving something, and you're still you cannot even figure out what you want in life. So it feels a quite huge pressure. Honestly speaking, whatever I'm sharing in my YouTube videos, this is all related to me, what I have experienced. This is nothing which I have in my mind, because this is all what I have experienced. But what I have realized, that not everyone has everything figured out. Not everyone has already, thought of what they will do in life. So it is okay to be still learning. It is okay if I'm taking time for choosing my career, choosing what I want in life, because this is my life. I can take whatever time I want. And how can I be left behind when this is my life? I am the owner of my life. This is my life. How can I be behind of someone? Important thing is that we are moving forward day by day. We are doing something which is taking us to another level. That is what matters. This is where people, do suicide or harm themselves just because they couldn't figure it out, and they thought that the time is going and they are late or they couldn't do because, but I feel like this is my life, this is our life. We can take whatever time we want, because we choose something which we actually want, which makes us feel good, satisfied. So if that is taking time, let it take time, as these are the biggest decisions of our lives. So I think if it is taking time, it is leading you towards a better future. You are making a better decision with a lot of time, because you have time. So time is never gone. The most important thing, that you are concerned about your future and you have the will to do something better, and you are growing day by day, even if it is slow. Maybe being 19 isn't about having all the answers. Maybe it's being brave enough to keep going even if we don't want to. It's day 4 of becoming better day by day, 'cause why not?